the robin down there, Lindsay? That's the mom.
Down there. There's the mom.
You see her, Lynn? Lindsay.
Ooh, where's the
The
mom?
mom's right down there. The robin.
Are you trying to take a picture of the babies?
One of them is hatching.
Right this minute?
Yes!
Take a picture.
I'm filming it.
You're filming it? Oh, good.
It's not that disgusting.
That's a little late to be hatching. I thought they were doing it.
Oh wait, no.
No, not
That's just I just saw one of its bodies, and it was still kind of half in the egg.
Don't touch it.
I'm not gonna touch it. No way. Oh wait, yeah, it's hatching.
It is hatching?
Yeah.
Oh, get it on. I'm glad they're coming.
Mommy, I bet you can't hear those, but they're going to.
Okay, move away. She's got to come and feed. Bring them worms and things.
They look starving to death. Buddies. How cute. Yeah, one of them is hatching.
Hatching right now.
That's kind of scary.
No, it's not.
I want to see.
Come in then.
No, take a video and then let me see, okay?
Okay. Watch it. It's hatching. Birdies! Birdies! Ooh, one hatched!
It hatched?
Yep! I got it on video.
Did you get it on video?
Yeah.
I'm going to take it this way.
They're kind of gross. They're cute. There's still one more egg that needs to hatch. Wait. Hello. Okay, so I hope you guys like that. Oh no, the mother's coming to feed him. But just a little bit more. Oh, so sweet. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Bye.